Howdy! Today we're going to be finishing up our module. I'm using this masking machine that's really helpful in keeping our sides the original color. Blue tape is really invaluable whenever you're working with a painted surface. If you wanted to, it wouldn't be a bad idea to keep the tape and the paper on the module while you're applying your scenery. But for demonstration purposes, we're really just going to be showing how painting works. I chose a satin earth tone as our foundation. This is helpful when laying down grass or any other scenery. I let it dry in the sun before applying a second coat. Now it's time to reveal our work. T-TRAK leverages Kato Unitrack. We're using S64 and S248 specifically. No tooling required, just snap together. The screwdriver is so that we can mount the tracks with screws. Or at least that was the plan. My plan was simple. Just line up the screws with the holes. Well, it didn't work out that way. Instead, I'm just using some simple painter's caulking, and it seems to work really well. Fortunately, we can use the holes as a guide to make sure everything's in line. Trying to get everything laid out as close as possible, but the best way to get accurate spacing is to use Kato double track. I'm letting it dry this way. Well, there we have it. The module's complete. Please leave a comment below to tell me what you might have done a little bit differently. I'm welcome to the feedback. And please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.